This method is an incredibly efficient way to find the area of a triangle when given its coordinates, and surprisingly, barely any students know about it. Here's how it works. Start by stacking the triangle's coordinates on top of each other in order, then repeat the first coordinate at the bottom. Next, split the coordinates into diagonals. Multiply the downward diagonals and add them together. Do the same for the upward diagonals. Multiply them and add the results. Find the positive difference between these two sums. Finally, have this positive difference to calculate the area of the triangle. This is called the shoelace formula because the process resembles the crisscross pattern of a shoelace. Now let's try this with an example. Imagine we have a triangle with these vertices. First, we stack the coordinates vertically and repeat the first one at the bottom. Using the shoelace formula, we calculate the downward diagonals, which add up to 29. Then for the upward diagonals, we get 45. The next step is to subtract these results from one another. If the result is negative, we use absolute value symbols, these vertical straight line symbols, to make it positive. Here the difference is 16, so we have it to get 8. That's the area of the triangle. This method is surprisingly underused, especially at A-level. If you're an A-level student, you can learn neat tricks like this from Mathify's A-level workbooks. These workbooks provide full worked solutions, unique questions you won't find anywhere else, and techniques that will deepen your understanding and help you master concepts further.